basic course so far.
Cabinet Minister Ampareen has refrained from commenting on National People's Party allocating Lok Sabha ticket to her from the Shillong parliamentary seat, maintaining that the party is the competent authority to share such information. Briefing the media, Lyngdoh, who maintained that there are procedures before selecting a candidate, however, did not deny taking up the challenge if allowed to contest from the Shillong seat.
The party is the competent authority to share this kind of information with you. There are procedures that they probably have placed. There are, interests that have already been expressed. So as a party worker and one who's here to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya, I will take up any challenge that my party thinks I am in position to take. So, without saying anything at this point of time, I cannot comment on this. Party is the ultimate decision taker.